3D rotation. 3D rotation, rotating an image in 3D plane is called 3D rotation. Here also three type of rotations, that is the rotate an object with respect to x-axis, rotate an object with respect to y-axis, rotate an object with respect to z-axis. So let's we see here z roll. So z roll, let's we see the rotation done with respect to z-axis. So we have to retain z as it is. So z dash is equal to z. Then x dash y dash alone we are going to proceed. X dash is equal to x cos theta minus y sin theta. X dash is equal to x sin theta plus y cos theta. So let's we write it in the matrix form. See here x dash y dash z dash. So z dash here z alone 1, remaining values we substitute as 0. X dash x cos theta minus y sin theta. See here cos theta minus sin theta, there is no z value, so 0. So y dash வந்து x sin theta y cos theta. So sin theta cos theta y. So this is the way we have to represent it in the matrix form. See here we have used as it is in the two-dimensional plane, whatever we have done it. Along with that we have added one more axis, that is z axis. So we have to represent same in the homogeneous coordinate representation. So see here, this is the three-dimensional matrix. We bring as it is three-dimensional matrix. Here along with that we have added one more dimension. Here it is a old coordinate, along with that homogeneous coordinate value. This is the homogeneous coordinate matrix representation for 3D rotation with respect to z axis. Let's we move on to the 3D rotation with respect to x axis. So for if we are going to rotate with respect to x axis, we have to retain x as it is without making any changes. Remaining thing y dash z dash alone we are going to write here. So here y cos theta minus z sin theta, z dash is equal to y sin theta plus z cos theta. So this is the formula for 3D rotation with respect to x axis. So we have to convert it into the matrix form. See here x dash y dash z dash we have written here. Then along with that, see here x alone 1, remaining thing we substitute as a 0. Y dash here x as a 0, y cos theta, so cos theta minus z sin theta, so minus sin theta. So z place, so z dash is equal to z dash. See here x place we have tried to 0, y sin theta, so sin theta, z cos theta, z we have written here. This is the matrix form of 3D rotation with respect to x axis. In homogeneous coordinate representation for the same, this is the 3D matrix. So we have written as it is, whatever we have wrote this we have written as it is here. Along with that we have added one more dimension here. Then next we have written the old coordinate, along with that homogeneous coordinate value. So this is the homogeneous coordinate matrix representation for 3D rotation with respect to x axis. Finally, let's we move on to 3D rotation with respect to y axis. So we retain y as it is. So here y dash is equal to y. Here we have to always write the order. See here x, y, z. Then we can rotate that x to y, y to z, or z to x. This is the way we have to follow the order to avoiding the confusions. See here z dash is equal to z cos theta minus x sin theta, x dash is equal to z sin theta plus x cos theta. Let's we substitute x dash here. X dash, see here z sin theta, x cos theta, there is no y value, so 0. See here y dash here y alone 1, remaining values 0. See here the z dash minus x sin theta, here there is no y value 0. Next z cos theta. So here cos theta and z. So this is the way we have to represent the 3D matrix, and we have to convert the same for homogeneous coordinate matrix form. So that we have written here as it is the 3-dimensional matrix. Along with that we have added one more dimension here, the old coordinate xy z1. So this is the matrix representation for homogeneous coordinates, the for 3D rotation with respect to y axis.